nostalgic elements with seasonal style. Nike's latest Air Max 95 Big Bubble arrives in a striking Obsidian, Diffused Blue, Celestine Blue colorway, perfect for fall. Drawing subtle inspiration from the 2006 Stash collaboration, this version uses rich dark blues on the lower upper and lighter suede near the laces for contrast. The shoe features clean finishing touches like airmax tongue branding and a small swoosh on the heel. What sets it apart is the distinct seam across the oversized Big Bubble Air unit, a design shift not commonly seen in recent Air Max 95 releases. Though no official release date has been announced, it's expected to hit stores by October. The updated cushioning system combined with layered materials enhances comfort and visual appeal, offering a fresh take on a classic silhouette. This latest edition keeps the Big Bubble series alive and buzzing with energy just in time for the cooler months.